This is a side hustle that not a lot of people are talking about. And the nice part with this side hustle is that it can be automated. You can earn passive income. You just have to do the hard work once. This is selling digital products. If you are interested in selling digital product, then this is the video for you, because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the platforms in which you can use to start selling your content. Hey guys, welcome and thank you for watching. My name is Mpho and I share content on how to make money online. If this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please grab a seat as we dive right in. So before we can go to the different platforms in which you can use to start selling your digital products, we need to know what are digital products. So in my own understanding, digital products are intangible goods that exist in the digital form. So we're looking at things like your ebooks, your music, digital art. We're also looking at your software, online courses, entertainment. Maybe you can sell templates. We are looking at also mobile apps. These are things that you can sell in the digital format. This is the platform that we're going to be looking at, and it is called Teachable. This is how their homepage looks like. And as you can see right here, they've got a video and more information that you can read right there. So we're going to come and look here where it says more ways to sell. So there are different ways in which you can sell on Teachable. The first way is for you to create an online course. If you are good at something and you want to help other people become good at that, you can simply create an online course right there. Another thing that you can do is have digital downloads. What we mean by digital downloads, you can start selling things like your PDFs, your audio clips, your ebooks. So you can create audiobooks and also sell right there. We also have coaching. If you are good in business management or you are good at helping other people grow their businesses, you can have a coaching program and start selling it. We're going to come down, and as you can see here, it says free to start, simple to scale. You're going to start for absolutely free. It further says the foundational tool you need to start earning today, no credit card required. There are three simple steps in which you can get started, and the first step is for you to prep your content. You're going to lay out your course, plan your coaching program, design a digital product that you like to upload, and the second step is for you to price your products. The third step is for you to upload your content right here. And for you to get started, you simply come here to where it says start for free, and you're going to enter in your details. You can also come to the bottom to read more information that they have provided right here. Now, before you can start selling digital product, it is important for you to do your research on the different digital products that are selling. You need to know whether they are seasonal or maybe if they are evergreen, and you also need to know the market price. There are different things that you need to know before you can start selling or before you can place your digital products on different digital platform or on different platforms that sells digital product. Now, with that being said, let's move on to the second platform that you can use to start selling your digital products. Another platform that we're going to be looking at, it is this company right here called Mpho. This is how their homepage looks like. So as you can see here, it says multiple learning products. It further says there's more than one way to earn. And one of those ways in which you can use to earn on the platform, it is by creating online courses. You can also engage with communities, have a community that will pay you to teach them a certain skill. Another way in which you can earn, it is to offer memberships that matters. We're also going to come down, and as you can see, there are different informations that they have. So you can simply come here to understand the company and some of the things that you need to do in order for you to earn money. So for you to get started, you come to the bottom of the page to where it says try ThinkFig for free. So you're going to click here to where it says get started for free. Fill in your details in order for you to get started. As we come to where it says pricing, you will be able to see that you can start for absolutely free. But then if people are purchasing your courses, or if people are purchasing your membership programs, you can then scale up your business. But you can start for absolutely free and then scale up as your revenue is increasing or as your community is increasing. Another company that you can use to sell your digital products from one simple platform, it is a company called Payhip. This is how their homepage looks like. And as you can see here, it says sell digital downloads, sell courses. You are also going to be selling your coaching programs right here. You're going to come to the bottom and we can see the different things that you can do on the platform so that you can earn money. So they're going to give you information in which you can read to get started right there, and also show you other people that are using this platform to sell their program. So you can also come here to where it says start for free. In order for you to get started, you don't have to pay anything in order for you to get started. As you can see at the bottom, it says sign up for free, no credit card required, cancel anytime. So you can simply come here and fill in your details in order for you to get started with this platform called Payhip. And yes, guys, these are the platforms that you can start using to sell your digital products. If you've got any other question, kindly comment down in the comment section so that I can be able to interact with you. Until the next video, take care.